Hello, welcome. In this video, you will be learning how to find solutions of linear equations. Alright, up till this time, we have been solving equations with exactly one solution, where you have a variable equals a number. But now you're going to find out that there are three different possible options or three possible ways solution can occur. Either there's exactly one solution that the one we have already known. I mean, if you graph this, you will notice that the two lines will meet at exactly one point. The second one is when the two lines are parallel, which means they do not intersect, they don't meet. So in that case, there is no solution. Another one is where the two lines are on top of each other. You can't see it. It looks like one line, but one is lying on top of the other. So in that case, every point they share together is the solution. So there is infinitely many solutions. All right, let's look at an example. Solve this equation, and then we're going to identify whether or not it has one solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solution. Try to solve it as you would normally solve any linear equations. Okay, try to get the variable by itself, and then see what we have at the end. Okay. Do that. So in that case, first of all, if you look at the left side, it's already in simplest form. Let's look at the right side. We have to simplify it. Remember that this is -1, so you can write 1 in front of that negative and distribute this. So that's -1 times 7. -1 times -7 is positive 7x. Plus -1 times positive 6 is -6. And the left side is in simplest form, so leave it like that. So next, we are going to move all the variable terms on one side. So we can subtract 2x from both sides. I always find it helpful to try to move the smaller variable number to the big one number by subtracting it, but you don't really have to. So 7x minus 2x is 5x. And then this is plus -6x. Okay, now, so we have only 5x here. We don't have variable x on this side. So now we're going to add 6 to both sides to move the constant term on one side. So 4 plus 6 is 10. And this is 5x. Next, divide both sides by 5. To get x by itself, so 2 equals x. So we find a value of x which will make this equation true. Both sides equal each other, which is 2. If you substitute 2x, so this is 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. How about here? -7, okay, -7 times x, which is 2, -14 plus 6, or even in like this part that's already been simplified. So 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus -6 is 8 as well. So that checks. 8 equals 8. So there's exactly one solution, and that one solution is 8. Next, are there any values of x for which the areas of the figures are the same? Okay. Before we can answer that question, we have to find the value of x, first of all. Okay, so areas. So this is a triangle. So we can find that the area of the triangle, does it equal the area of the rectangle? Okay, so just draw a little symbol there. Oops, this is area. OA. Okay, so what's the formula for area of a triangle? It's 1/2 times base times height. Does it equal the area of a rectangle is length times width? And then we replace, okay, look at the triangle. The base is x plus 1. So we write x plus 1 times the height, which is 2. The height is 2. Now, if we simplify this, of course, we can simplify 1/2 times 2 over 1 and then times x plus 1. So this will become 1. So 1 times x plus 1 is x plus 1. Okay, that side is simplified. How about this side? The length is x times the width is 1. Oops, that's 1. So 1 times x is 1x. So this equals x. So looking at here, x plus 1 equals x. That doesn't make sense, but we can go ahead and try to finish solving this. So by subtracting x from both sides, we're going to get 1 equals 1x minus 1x is 0. So look here. x1 equals 0. Is that a true statement? No, this is false. 1 cannot equal 0. So since the statement is false, we say there is no solution. So there is no value of x for which the area of the figure, area of the triangle would equal the area of the rectangle. All right, last one. Solve the equation first again, and then decide whether it has one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. So first of all, we need to simplify each side. Okay, so we're going to distribute this to both sides. So that's 6 times 7x plus 6 times 7. So 6 times 7x is 42x plus 6 times 7 is 42. All right, that's in simplest form. Now about this side, the same thing, distribute 7 times 6x plus 7 times 6. Okay, it looks like we get the same thing. Okay, so looking at it from here, you see 42x plus 42 equals 42x plus 42. You see the exact same thing, they equal each other, they are equivalent. So we can already tell that there will be infinitely many solutions, but we can go ahead and finish solving this. So if we subtract 42x from both sides, so this will become 0. So 42 equals, also this will become 0. 42 equals 42. Okay, there's no variable to solve, but is this statement true or false? It is true. Okay, if this is true, because 42 equals 42, then there is infinitely many solutions. So any number you put for x kind of goes for the left side, we work for the right side also. That's what that means. Any number would make it true. Okay, that's it. Hope you get that. Good luck.